In Concordancer, users can check the context of specific search terms. First, you need to type in your search term in Search Settings search term. If the search term is a multi-word phrase, remember to insert a space between each word. If you want to search for multiple terms at once, you can select Multi-Search Mode and add your search terms one by one. Then, click Generate Table to generate concordance signs. In the results, the node column shows a node word in red. The left and right columns display the context of the node word. The length and unit of the context to be displayed can be modified through generation settings in the settings area. If token settings punctuation marks is checked, then punctuation marks will be counted as separate tokens when generating concordance signs. The sentiment column analyzes the sentiment of the node word along with its context, with values 1, -1, and 0 representing positive, negative, and neutral sentiment respectively. Note that supportive sentiment analysis is currently limited to English and Vietnamese files. The following several columns from token number to file specify the location where the node word is found. After the results are generated, you can click Sort Results at the upper right corner of the results area to sort concordance signs. There is no limitation of the number of sorting rules, so you can add as many as you want. Also, you can click Searching Results to do searching in the displayed results. What's more, you can click Generate Figure to visualize concordance signs. When the figure is ready, you can use the buttons in the toolbox to modify the parameters of the figure, and then click the Save button to save the figure as different formats. If you want to flip the X and Y axes of the figure, set Figure Settings Sort Results By to Search Term, then regenerate the figure. Lastly, you can select Zapping Settings and export the generated table to a Word document to create a close test for classroom use.